Welcome to today's review of the COSORI Air Fryer 9-in-1, your all-in-one solution for fast, healthy, and delicious meals. This compact yet spacious 6-quart air fryer is designed to make your cooking experience quick and hassle-free, perfect for busy families. Its advanced turbo blaze technology speeds up cooking time, letting you whip up a full meal in just minutes. It offers 9 versatile cooking functions like air frying, roasting, baking, and even dehydrating, giving you a wide range of options to cook all your favorite dishes. One of the biggest highlights of this air fryer is its 5-fan speed airflow system. This ensures that every meal comes out golden, crispy, and juicy. Customers rave about its ability to deliver that perfect crunch without the excess oil. Speaking of oil, it uses 95% less oil than traditional deep fryers, making it a great choice for health-conscious users. The fryer also comes with access to 100+ in-app recipes, and it even includes nutrition facts to help you track calories, carbs, and proteins easily. Discover the detailed features of this product by clicking on the link in the description. You'll be amazed by its unique features. Now, let's talk about some pros and cons. While the COSORI Air Fryer 9-in-1 offers versatility and speed, some users note that it can be a bit noisy at higher fan speeds. However, most agree that the convenience and the crispy results make it a worthwhile investment. It's also more affordable compared to other major brands with similar features, offering excellent value for money. For testimonials and reviews from satisfied users, visit our affiliate link in the description. In summary, the COSORI Air Fryer 9-in-1 is a top contender in the air fryer market, perfect for those who want versatility without compromising on quality. If you're ready to enjoy healthier fried food without sacrificing flavor, this air fryer could be the perfect addition to your kitchen. Don't forget to click on the link below to benefit from an exclusive guarantee and fast delivery on this product. And make sure to like, subscribe, and share this video if you found it helpful.